Hi, tech fans. Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future, your go-to channel for the latest insights into the ever-evolving world of gadgets. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated showdown between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. Join me as we explore rumored upgrades and potential features and decide if the S24 Ultra is truly worth the upgrade. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Now, let's get started. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra release and design. Our journey begins with the release rumors swirling around the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with whispers suggesting a potential January 2024 launch. As we eagerly await the unveiling, leaked CAD designs have teased us with hints of design tweaks. While some initial leaks suggested only minor alterations, later sources point towards a construction material upgrade, possibly adopting titanium, akin to Apple's iPhone 15 Pro models. Such a move could not only enhance durability, but also elevate the overall build quality, putting the S24 Ultra in a league of its own. Display technology and brightness. Moving on to the display, the S23 Ultra already set a high standard with its 6.8-inch screen. Recent leaks hint at potential modifications to the panel, aiming to increase brightness levels and outshine its predecessor. In a market filled with cutting-edge displays, Samsung seems determined to maintain its lead by pushing the boundaries of visual excellence. Camera capabilities. Now, let's talk about the eyes of the phone, the camera. The S23 Ultra wowed us with its impressive 220-megapixel camera setup, and the challenge for Samsung with the S24 Ultra is real. While the megapixel count might not see a massive increase beyond 200, whispers suggest a larger 1-inch sensor, promising enhanced low-light performance. The real showstopper, however, could be the dual telephoto lens setup, featuring a rumored 50-megapixel lens capable of 5x zoom, alongside retaining the 3x zoom functionality. Leaks also suggest Samsung's innovation with a zoom. Many places feature and parallel image processing, promising sharper zoom shots with reduced latency and data loss. Performance upgrade with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Shifting gears to performance, the S23 Ultra boasted the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, offering superior power and efficiency. Brace yourselves for the S24 Ultra, which might exclusively feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, promising a substantial boost in CPU and GPU performance, improved power efficiency, and enhanced machine learning capabilities. Rumors even hint at Samsung integrating AI into its software, unlocking advanced functionalities, possibly offered through subscription models. Storage and battery innovations. As we delve into the internals, reports suggest that the S24 Ultra will continue its storage capacity, starting at 256 GB. However, the real excitement lies in the potential implementation of a stacked battery system, a move that could provide denser power without increasing the device's size. This innovation might not only improve power management, but could also necessitate a redesigned cooling system to keep the device running smoothly under intense usage. Pricing strategy and audience engagement. As we wrap up this deep dive, one crucial aspect remains shrouded in mystery: pricing. Samsung's strategy compared to Apple's pricing structure for the iPhone 15 Pro is a topic of intrigue. Speculations around the S24 Ultra's pricing are scarce, a common occurrence before an official launch. Before we conclude, I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Would you consider upgrading to the S24 Ultra based on these potential features and upgrades? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and let's spark a discussion. Stay tuned for future updates on the channel, and until next time,